Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'll be showing you how to assemble some tea cakes. I've got my tea cake mold here, and then I'm going to put some of the chocolate that I've already tempered into the mold. So just put about a tablespoon of chocolate in each mold, and then go around with a spoon and just spoon up to the sides to coat the mold. Leave this to set. And then I'm going to pipe in some marshmallow fluff into it. Pipe some marshmallow fluff until about 3/4 of the way. And then I've got these biscuits, which I made earlier, and I've dipped them in chocolate and left to set. Get the biscuits and then put on top of the marshmallow and then just push them down gently. If some marshmallow comes out, that's fine. You can always clean it up. Just get a knife, go around and clean off the excess marshmallow. And then finally, to seal the biscuits, you just get some chocolate in a piping bag and just pipe around the tea cakes. This is quite messy, but you just do it, and then you clean up the excess chocolate with a knife or a spatula, and then just put it to one side, and then just leave this to set completely. When it's set now, we're going to put our mold upside down, and then I'm going to gently take the mold off each section of the tea cake like this, and be gentle so that your chocolate doesn't break. And you can see it's nice and solid and it looks great. I'm going to cut it and show you the inside. So you can see you've got your layer of chocolate, the marshmallow and the biscuit. And they taste great and they look great. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbrownbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.